You've got two storms developing in an unstable atmosphere. The close storm is in a good road network but has been struggling the last hour, while the southern storm in a poor road network has been slowly intensifying. Do you A, love the one you're with and wait for it to intensify? B, blast south 1.5 hours to the bigger storm? Or C, go to the Allsups gas station and get a burrito? I chose B out of a gut feeling it would continue to intensify and steal A's thunder, and I didn't want to risk any cramping or emergency restroom delays.
We're gonna have a funnel cloud here.
Under the high base of our southern storm, swirling clouds were organizing into a funnel and drifting away from chaseable roads. Do you A, drive into the notch to keep the funnel in view a little longer and risk hail destroying your vehicle? B, escape south but risk not being able to see the funnel for another hour? C, obliviously walk into the Allsups gas station and get a burrito? Or D, back into a pole?
Oh, I just hit a thingy.
I chose D, back into a pole, and then A, risk the notch in case it tornadoes.
Man, it is merry-go-round.
Yeah, there it is.
Barely see it up in there. It's like a ghost.
There we go.
How about that?
Scary.
What are we gonna do here? Can we continue? Is there a road that goes south? There's not.
As the tornado retreated over sketchy ranch roads with unmapped gates, the large hail was approaching fast. Do you A, abort, punching through the hail to catch up with the storm an hour down the road? B, go home? C, just sit there frozen with indecision? Or D, gamble on a sketchy ranch road, hoping to buy yourself a little more time with the tornado?
We're gonna try to go south and get it. Here we go.
I chose D, and the gamble paid off with a well-maintained gravel road. For the moment, anyway.
Where that tornado came through. Oh, every day. Limbs. We're at no man's land. There's Bob's Road and that's it. Those are window breakers. They're following just in front of the car. I feel like we're just out of the range. Nope, here they come. Look at that. Look at them falling. See him way up in there. Oh, look at that buzzard. Poor guy. Get out of there. Get out of there, buzzards. Go, 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 go.
A new storm is exploding just to the south and will likely steal the thunder of the one we're on. Do you A, follow the buzzards and get on that storm? You already know the answer.
It's 6:47 and we're pouncing on the second storm.
okay. I can squeak by you. Crazy day,
We're
huh?
just watching where don't take our house.
You're fine. It's really weak at the surface, just so you know it. All right, well, I'm gonna go down there. I think I can squeeze by him.
Okay. Honey, y'all move out of the way. He's gonna go. Honey, he's gonna go down, and I told him to run first and go back to 503.
Pardon me, sir. Thank you.
You found the hell, didn't you?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, look at this disgusting.
Lifted. Is that it? Here's the rope.
Fun day of chasing tornadoes in the middle of nowhere, Texas, not hurting anybody. The last 6 days of chasing, I've gotten tornadoes every single day, including the stupid one in Kansas that was behind my little thingy. I saw the funnel cloud. I saw the spin up. It counts. And the next few days look like good chase days as well. Somebody needs to take the tornado catnip away from Mother Nature. She's out of control. I gotta get some rest, guys. Thank you so much.